Order in the court. The Supreme Court of Florida is now in session. The Honorable Chief Justice Charles T. Kennedy presiding.
The court will now take up a judicial reprimand arising from an inquiry concerning Circuit Judge Richard Howard. Judge Howard, you were called before the court today because of misconduct in your official role as a judge. This is an unfortunate day for you, for us, and for the entire state judiciary. Your misconduct has damaged the public's trust and confidence in our state courts. That is why this is a serious matter. The effectiveness of our judiciary ultimately rests on the trust and confidence that the people confer upon judges. Public reprimands such as this are an important way we can assure the public that we take misconduct by a judge very seriously. We will not hesitate to punish unethical conduct by judges in a very public way. Judge Howard, your case arises from a series of events that began in early April 2019. Your own stipulation in the record here established that you attempted to dissuade a candidate for judicial office from running against an incumbent judge. You recommended instead that the candidate run against a different incumbent judge or else go through the separate judicial nominating commission process. The record shows that your conduct, 1, failed to uphold the integrity and independence of the judiciary in violation of Canon 1, 2, created the appearance of impropriety in violation of Canon 2, 3, failed to promote public confidence in the impartiality of the judiciary as required by Canon 2A, and 4, constituted an improper use of the prestige of the judicial office in favor of the private interests of another, contrary to Canon 2B. To your credit, Judge Howard, you have accepted full responsibility for these violations, admitting that your conduct was wrongful. You have cooperated with the JQC throughout the process of the investigation. We also note that you had no prior discipline as a judge since your appointment in 2000 and no disciplinary history with the Florida Bar. Judge Howard, for the misconduct to which you have stipulated, you are hereby publicly reprimanded. We trust that in the future you will faithfully follow the obligations imposed on you by the code. As our earlier case law establishes, any future misconduct will be viewed more harshly. Thank you, and that concludes this judicial reprimand. The court will now prepare to take up the next and final case on today's docket.